Few years ago, I made a video showing how you can run VS Code inside a Google Colab using some workarounds. Well, Google just flipped the script. In November 2025, they officially released a Colab extension that let you run Google Colab inside VS Code. And here is the best part. You get free access to GPU and TPU directly from your local VS Code. Let me show you how you can set up this and run the Colab in VS Code. This is the official extension from Google that bridges the gap between your local development environment and Colab cloud compute. You write your code in VS Code with all your favorite extension, but the code run on Google with access to powerful GPUs and TPU. Installation is super simple. First, make sure you have VS Code. Now open the extension by pressing here, or you can press Ctrl Shift X. This is the VS Code marketplace where you can find the extensions which help in your development and make your development super easy. Search here for Google Colab and install the official extension published by Google and click on install. It will automatically install the Jupyter extension if you don't have it. And that's it. You are ready to go. Now let's create a notebook and connect it to the Colab. Create a new file by clicking here. Create a Jupyter notebook. Use this sample code. Before running this, we need to select our kernel. Click select kernel in the top right. Click on Colab. Now here it asks to select the Jupyter server, auto connect or new Colab server. Auto connect is a quick connect option that link your notebook to the most recent used Colab session, saving time if you are resuming work. Whereas new Colab server is used to initiate a fresh, clean runtime environment, allow you to select specific hardware like CPU, GPU, TPU, and name the server for future references. Here we are selecting new Colab server. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. For first time login, just authorize it. Now here it is getting excited. You can choose your runtime like CPU, GPU, or even TPU. For demo, I will select GPU. Give your server a short name like my GPU so you can reconnect later. You can also select desired language. For now, I am selecting Python. Here we are. Our notebook is successfully connected to the Colab server. Let's verify GPU access. For that, we use PyTorch library and check if CUDA is available or not. Run this cell. And here we are connected with GPU in the cloud, probably NVIDIA T4 on free tiers, all from your local VS Code. Installing package in VS Code also work exactly the same like we do in regular Colab. Just type pip install any library and it's done. You can even verify it. This package installation is done in Colab server, not on your local machine. Perfect for testing libraries without cluttering your local environment. Let's check the system resources. For that, we can use PS utils. Use the following code snippet. For more details about PS utils, check out my time and profiling video where we cover in details. Here you get the system resources. On free tier, you typically get around 12 to 13 GB of RAM and decent CPU cores. Not bad for free tier. I also prepare one ML example where we are creating the neural network and using GPU to train our model. Notice here we are using CUDA to move tensor to the GPU, something you couldn't do easily on local machine without a GPU. Training is done and we get the result. Let me show you some useful features. First, you can check system command just like in regular Colab. NVIDIA SMI. It will give NVIDIA GPU details. You can even perform file operations. Create a simple text file in Colab server and write it like hello from Colab in VS Code and list down the files. Use LSLA. File you created exist on Colab runtime. When you disconnected, they are gone. So save important work on your local machine or cloud storage. You can even manage your Colab server from command palette. Press Ctrl Shift P and search for Colab. Here it shows the available command like remove server, which can disconnect or delete the server, or sign out, where you can simply sign out the Google Colab from VS Code, or you can even mount the Google Drive to the server. When you click on the mount Google Drive to the server, a code appears. When you execute it, it will ask access to mount the Google Drive to the server. But this feature is bit glitchy. I noticed multiple errors while mounting Google Drive to the server. So let me know how it works from your end. You can even check the active session on Google Colab website. Just click on the runtime, click on manage session, and here you will see the active session and what the hardware configuration we are using for this session. Like here I'm using GPU. You can even end or disconnect the session by clicking here. And if you want, you can check what runtime you are connected to. You can use this sample code. Here it is pointing to Google Colab server, and also there is some GPU available. This is definitely a great extension and I love using it in development. This is the official extension, so there is no more need of workaround, and it also offers free GPU and TPU access from VS Code, and all your local VS Code extension still work. Perfect for ML experiment and prototyping. This extension is still new and Google is actively improving it. If you want to see how it is compared to old workaround from my previous video, check the link in the description. Drop a like if this was helpful and subscribe for more such tutorials. Happy coding!